A Netcap sliding tarpaulin covers a loading platform completely and quickly, protecting the load against the elements. The system is based on a number of trolleys, which are mounted on wheels and connected by a scissor system. Let's take a closer look at the details. The rear trolley has a smart over-center locking system. You can unlock the tarpaulin in seconds. You can now slide the tarpaulin open. Our sliding tarps have an aluminium structure, which makes the tarp both light and highly stable. The system can easily be operated by one person. We can supply the tilt sheet in any color and with sign writing if desired. As standard, the front can also be opened. Both the front and rear have an extra strong and wide trolley. Another feature that is especially useful during loading is that you can move the entire tarp both backwards and forwards. The system stands on synthetic wheels with self-lubricating bearings. The wheels run in an aluminium rail. The Netcap rail is known for the groove for placing tooth-tested lashing rings. We produce our system in Venray, Holland with the utmost care. It is supplied in a construction kit to body and trailer builders. Using the extensive manual provided, they are able to mount the sliding tarp quickly and easily. Netcap provides every customer with a system that is stable, slides smoothly, and also looks great.